In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the full process from opening QuickBooks to choosing the best delivery option for your customer. This is a simple workflow, but it's important to review each detail carefully so your invoice goes out correctly the first time. Start by going to QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Sales and Get Paid section in the navigation menu. Click there to open the area where QuickBooks manages customer billing, payments, and invoices. Next, select Invoices. This takes you to your invoice list where you can view existing invoices or create a new one. To start a new invoice, click Create Invoice. Now you'll begin filling out the invoice itself. First, select your customer from the drop-down menu. When you do this, QuickBooks should automatically pull in the customer's saved information, including their email address. Take a moment to make sure the email field is correct, since this is where the invoice will be sent if you choose the email option. After that, choose the products or services you want to bill for. As you add each item, verify the quantity and the rate to make sure the totals are accurate. This is also the time to set the invoice date and the payment terms. The invoice date tells the customer when the invoice was issued, and the terms define when payment is due, so both fields are worth double checking. Once everything is entered, move to the bottom of the screen where QuickBooks gives you delivery options. At this point, you'll decide how you want to handle the invoice. If you choose Review and Send, QuickBooks opens a preview of the email that will go to your customer. This is a great moment to quickly review the message and confirm that everything looks professional and complete. When you're ready, click Send Invoice. If you'd rather not send it right away, choose Save and Close. This saves the invoice so you can come back later to email it or print it when needed. This option is helpful if you're still waiting for approval or if you want to batch your invoicing later. You can also choose Share Link or WhatsApp. This generates a direct link to the invoice that you can send through a text message or through WhatsApp, which can be useful if your customer prefers a faster, more direct method of receiving payment information. And that's how to send an invoice in QuickBooks Online. As a final tip, always review the customer details, billing items, and payment terms before sending, because a quick check now can prevent confusion and follow up later.